how nice that is.
That could be a 7 Neighbours for a 7 Neighbour.
Yes!
Oh!
7 for 7.
Go on, try another
I'll
one.
try and do it.
Rolla, one more.
We'll do double 7 first.
No, I think he's got it.
This is Rolla's pool table. Pool table or roulette table?
Pool table.
That is amazing. So nice.
Attention, call manager.
Yeah.
Attention,
Oh.
call manager. Attention,
Mine
call
did that.
manager. Attention,
Lovely.
call
Look
manager.
at the quality of this
Attention,
is.
Call manager.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really
Have you
nice.
done it before?
They did that once.
Yeah, there's if you open it, there's a few things you have to plug in.
That was a bad spin.
Mine used to do that. It's so annoying.
How fast is that middle going? 0 neighbour. Well, it's almost in between.
Lovely.
A fridge full of
So
beer
good.
and cider and whatever you like.
Yeah, so Roller's machines. This is his T7. Got loads of games on it. And obviously his Casino Crazy's dead. Yeah, I think James Hardy did actually come out and fix that, but he's got an issue with the 20p's. But yeah, all the games. Loads of games. What is your favourite game, Roller? Rocky.
Rocky, yeah, overall.
What's yours, you reckon? Because you like pure pots,
yeah,
don't you?
I like pure gold.
Because
I like Rocky because you get more pie gambles. Like even if you hit 5 of those things in a row, it's only 25 quid.
So you got all the like the £100 communities as well. It's actually a nice setup.
There's different memory cards and you get different games and stuff.
Let's play pure pots, just because it's.
Pure pots are G. The Rocky pots are G.
Oh
Actually,
no,
bronze ain't G.
because Seven likes playing it. He's we'll stick it on there. Oh no, Gamble's on. Yeah, Gamble £5 above. Yeah, just a bit of fun, but yeah, it's quite nice having all these games actually. How much the pots go up by? 4p silver. And 4p there. No, 3p bronze. There's gold in it.
Notification, look, got a notification.
Oh yeah. Is that what time was that set for?
6 o'clock.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
It's easier in it when you set the times on the channel. This is quite an old game. This game actually, there was pure pots originally, then pure gold, was it?
What is the difference, genuine question, between this and pure gold?
Well, when the mega spins were out, there's a big difference. You could play on pure pots. I think you could play £20 per
They are on
spin.
a quid.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't want to be on 2 quid.
Nah, well, I was just playing it how I would normally, but you play it on £2, you just get more lines. I think. Oh no, increased payout.
When I play pure gold, I do for some reason I seem to do it right on a pound.
Yeah, I mean pure gold is well, I'm talking off the mega spins here. It was a little bit different because I think you could bet up to like £30-40 spins. I can't remember, to be honest. It was only a few years ago actually. Here's Hyper. Yeah, so I just thought of bringing back, and the last little thing is just this little collection here. These are all the go on and smash it. But look at these bottles of Kraken. They're like 3-4 deep. Roll, are these all the ones you've been through? Is it?
What's that?
These bottles here. These are all ones you've obviously finished off.
On the top shelf. Yeah.
Oh,
Little treat the other day. Look,
Oh,
that drops here.
Right, there we go.
Oh, this is better than.
oh, nearly. This is Hyper's phone. 357.
20
Nice.
in, first press.
Was that on what?
Pots.
When was
On
that?
the 94%. That was last weekend.
Oh,
I
nice.
saved 300, maxed it, come in, the woman next to me was fuming.
Is that silver? Obviously.
Gold.
Gold.
Yeah. The
Oh,
silver's
pots
like
are gold, yeah.
silver's like 220. I couldn't believe it. Like that's
Mad.
just spawny, that isn't it?
Yeah.
It's recent. The pound in. Look.
Oh wow, nice.
I know. I
Such
can't
a
believe it.
nice table.
Alright, what
Beautiful.
Oh.
This is his old one that was live on stream, I believe. That the cork went in. Lovely glasses
Oh
though.
yeah, it's like a medium between.
Anyways, I'll bring you back for the next next part of the vlog. Yeah, beautiful. Only a little bit of
I
fun,
wish I could.
little competition. So we got, what is it?
The pipe as well.
Nice little pipe. Basically, a shot of Kraken and a cup of beer for the person who gets the least amount of money within a certain amount of credits. Only a bit of
So
fun.
do you get to choose? Yeah, you get to choose your game.
So you choose your own game, and was it £20 each?
That's Roller's room when you've got a gambling box. Literally just
Yeah.
a box of gambling.
That's old school as well.
It is. Is this vintage?
Can you open it up?
Yeah, that's vintage. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to mess around with it
Yeah,
really.
yeah, open it.
What is it? A little book? Is it a book?
double
Is it?
Yeah, so it's like all the different continents.
Oh.
Oh, that's nice.
Like,
Oh wow.
No, it's Chinese.
Eat some brains.
Brains. Oh, man, that's nice.
there's a little book on different gambling histories.
Oh, the ancient. Oh.
At least it's in English.
It even smells old. Like the.
The antique smell.
Yeah.
Like the musk.
Yeah, musky.
Those are
That's
that's hyperlater.
on a Saturday night.
Falling against the wall with blood against the
That's
back of
my
his head.
sombrero.
There's even blood there. It's a red.
Oh my god.
Right, okay.
That's brilliant.
Hyper, do you want to go up first?
Oh, what's the game? I don't understand.
So you get.
Is it any game?
So let roll to
Alright,
explain.
your number. Alright, you going first?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got £20 to make as much money as you can.
And does it have to be max
Oh, it's
stake?
Garver Fields.
Yeah. I think
I'm guessing it has to be max stake, yeah?
Yeah, just to make it.
Right, okay.
Okay.
And we can gamble?
Yeah, you obviously can gamble. It's whatever you collect. So
Oh,
whatever you
okay.
say you end on.
Oh,
okay.
no.
That's a game changer.
Right.
It could be a game changer.
Oh, I see what you mean. So the biggest win gets it.
Well, yeah, it depends what you collect on. So what you say, like, that's you finish on.
Right.
See, what you could say now is win £4 up.
Yeah.
Be that, basically.
Do I play it safe or
Oh, you might be a winner here.
so I can save something?
But you know, you've got 3 people after you, so
Oh,
That's me lost,
It's
isn't it?
going to be after.
oh wait there.
So it's actually a bad thing to be first.
Oh my
Oh, I
god.
know.
Okay, right. I think I'm locked in here. I think I've won it and I know.
Picked a gem,
It's only the loser that loses out though, isn't it? It's not.
yeah.
This is why we wait for our food, by the way. I
What was
mean,
that? What was that?
so if you get a full screen here with some mushrooms left, it multiplies it,
Oh
doesn't it?
no.
Ooh, saved.
So you know that's predetermined because it's like, oh, we feel sorry for him. 'Cause you can't get the multiplier now, can you?
No.
Oh, that's shite.
What the fuck was
Should
that?
have. Should have gone up there. Look at those fairies up there. 3 of them.
I've got a plan, so 31 save.
Oh! I thought you were saving.
Get after the one.
Oh, you could have.
Like,
You could have guaranteed a place there, surely.
what, from
Never mind,
30?
other people have got 20 quid to spend.
So all that happens now is that Rolla needs to win £4.
A pound. You're at 0 at the moment,
Oh, I just messed it up.
You're gonna do a shot, mate.
basically.
Oh, because I win nothing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Somebody's going to collect.
Okay, I need to place then, is what you're saying. Right.
The tension is on.
This needs to come in.
Yeah, that's in.
Oh,
how was
so
that put
close.
in? Oh no.
Basically, there's no point in anybody else playing if you don't collect anything.
That was pointless.
This.
You had your chance, and now
I've
it's
got
like.
I still got 3 spins.
Got one last spin.
I can't play a pound on the last spin.
I think we got. Really, I think we should.
Oh, now I can play a pound.
I think we should make it fair and you
Ooh.
That'd have been max.
max spins, max bet.
Oh god. Oh, we've got to do max spins, have we?
Last spin.
No, I
Yeah.
could have 2 ones
You've
now.
got £2.60 there.
I could bend the rules, can't I, for
You
one?
little kick.
Surely.
He's clawing on. He's clawing on to his 50p wins. He's scared. If you pied it.
No way.
Oh, 60p. If someone does nothing, don't tell 7. Don't tell him. So I've got. So that's my collected amount, yeah?
So your current total is
60p.
All somebody needs to do is win a pound.
Is this my last
Of
spin?
20
Yeah,
quid.
last.
And they're going to know.
Right.
Are you
That's
collecting
£1.10.
it? Are you collecting to make £1.10?
I'm just gonna gamble it on 60.
Look at the tension. I can feel you're nervous.
I am nervous.
Looks like you've lost.
£1.40.
Let's
No,
see
I
if you
haven't
get
lost
this up to
yet.
something crazy.
Oh. Right, okay, this is where
Go
it's
on.
make or break.
Let's not make it interesting. Oh.
I've got 60p. Right, is that it?
Yeah, you did. No, you get to go one more spin. Oh. You need this to go to like 20 quid at least.
Okay. He's
£1.60.
He's £1.60.
So you're hoping somebody just spins
For the drinks.
10 spins.
Okay, do you want to go next or shall I go?
I'll just go because it's so easy
Okay.
to beat
Right,
1.60.
10 dead
isn't it?
spins.
Are you staying the same game, are you?
Oh, it's to beat
Oh, yeah,
£1.60.
Mr. Smug.
I know, like, I just have to beat £1.60.
So that's 3 spins.
I think you should do it tiered, so the loser gets to do 4 shots. Next one 3,
So
2,
this just
1.
goes to £2.50. I won.
It won't. You've got to be £1.60. Oh, what was that lose? Oh, such a shame.
Actually, I'm very nervous now.
I'm worried. I'm not
Could
worried.
this be the? I should have collected that.
£1.60 for the win. Nope.
Oh my god.
You're halfway through now.
I'm nervous now. I should have got all these 50p's.
You should collect it, really, Rolla.
This comes in. This game over for you. I bet.
Nope.
For fuck's sake. I'm running out of spins. I'm actually nervous.
Oh, next one.
Oh, he's got another chance.
Go.
He's got another chance.
Oh, 10p off. Yeah, I think I might be screwed there.
Come on. I need 260.
And yeah.
Is that what it is? 260? I thought it was 160.
160.
Already?
Yeah, only 160.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't know what you're risking it for. Oh, is it? Oh, is it?
Oh, here it is.
How much do I need?
£1.60.
So you need £1.70 or £1.61.
Okay, you've matched me.
Oh!
No way. is
Last
this gonna
bit.
go through.
Okay.
I don't know. I can change
Yeah,
that.
you got one spin there, right? Oh, he's in.
Oh, I've got a chance.
Oh,
Oh!
that's there, isn't it?
So what do I need? £2.60 I need to beat. Fucking hell.
Think decide. That's all you need.
I know what, I'm going to go au naturel first.
That's match me.
I still got 20p.
You can't play 20p next.
I'll do it. So I'm lost.
No, so Roller's losing at the moment.
How does that happen?
I'm going to go max stakes, only fair.
Greed, that's greed. You were trying to be impressive with the gambles, but it didn't work.
I just wanted to win one gamble.
You just wanted to
That's
shot.
all I needed.
Oh, you like smashed it already with 5, isn't it?
You can't collect though, which made that a rule. You can't collect. That doesn't count. See, that doesn't count. You can't collect.
Why?
You can't collect.
Oh, you have to gamble the first one, is that the rule?
Oh, okay. You just made that rule up, right? So,
Yes, variables
Doesn't
coming.
count. You have to gamble at least once.
okay.
Some machines make you do that, don't they? Oh, it's
Oh,
10.
that's a big one.
You have to gamble it.
You have to gamble it. Dickhead. There's 7 Neighbours still.
Yeah, don't tell them that.
There's no point you need to carry on.
Right, I'm going to go for my Maxaroni. Okay.
Get 7 Neighbours.
Happy days.
You finish. Come on, get it over with.
No,
What's the next round?
I'm not even going to play my next credits. I'm leaving it.
Yeah, that's one.
7.
Get us ring. There's 7 in.
Come on.
Your turn.
It's
You've got a record to beat.
20 versus slot.
FOBT.
I think he's eating at the moment, so I'll bring you back.
I think that Hyper went first.
Right,
Still
7
lost.
Neighbours' turn. He's
So
up.
I've just got to beat £2.60.
Yeah, you can play any game you want, by the way. You don't have to play this
That
one.
has to be a gamble. So if it rolls in
Yeah.
like £200, you can't just
Oh.
collect. You have to do
You
at least
have to
one gamble.
Yeah.
Alright.
But then you can bank afterwards.
Yeah.
And you've got to beat £2.60.
I'll just do a stop and slip and go left.
Yeah. So there is £1.
Alright, so if
Oh,
if-
there we
if
go.
This wins,
So
you
I've
can't.
just got to go left.
So if you win the first gamble,
What's the prize?
Correct name.
And you don't do a shot.
yeah, and Roller does it. So you
Oh,
just
I
got
can't
to
do
get
it.
this gamble
The
right.
first gamble. If this just wins, you're out.
Oh, unlucky. Oh,
Oh,
I'll say.
there you go.
Congratulations.
Was that it?
Oh, that was a very, very fast game.
You absolutely cracked. Easy game. Cheers, bud.
Oh, I've got to get out of the way.
You wanted to do that. I could
Straight down in the pot. I thought there was beer in this one.
Was it?
No?
No?
The beers, if you don't want to do a shot.
Was it?
That's my beer.
Was it? It must be you.
Well, we're going to be going out in a minute. Just waiting for food.
Must be a council quite close.
Very nice. I'll bring you back anyway.
That is yours.
Ah, food's turned up. Look at this. God, so
From
good.
my KFC, did you? From my chicken strips.
Oh, mate, but these burgers are different gravy. Look at it. Oh, my God. Mocha or something like that.
Yeah.
Get nachos, do we?
We've got sweet potato, normal fries, onion rings, coleslaw,
Oh,
and I don't know what those
Anything
are.
you haven't got here.
They
that's
look
so good. Well, I'm going to smash this in and... Oh. Doing the usual fridge update. Normally it's hyper, but look at this.
The roller fridge.
The roller fridge update. What should I go for then? We've got Sammy, we got another Sammy. Look at that. Bit of free advertisement. The morning after then. Not had much hours sleep. Obviously, hotel kicks out at 12. But I couldn't really sleep anyway, so I'm waking up and just about heading to this beefeater. Just to play a few blueprints before heading back. Just a bit of fun really. Play a couple of games and then wait for my taxi really. Then get the train back. I was going to stay another night, and I might still. Just it's really windy now. Yeah, just waiting on really the sleepers, the night walkers, Hyper and Rolla and Seven, just sleep in all morning. I can't really do that, so I'm up and about. So anyways, I'll bring you back when I'm inside, hopefully for some blueprint action. So I'll see you in a sec. That's better. Literally second press. There is one. Weird resets. There is one again. Gonna try and get that bronze. Pop bonus number 3. That'll do. £100 version. Oh. I shall have the pigs. See what it's like. Odds everywhere. Okay. That'll be a decent win. 21 quid. Carry 50 quid, that's the exchange. Don't think it'll re-trigger. You never know though. Let's see how much these are actually worth though. Gonna get nothing now. Just need them to stack. It's a nice bonus though, for £100 anyway.
Thank you.
Final spin. Yeah, nice. 84 quid in total. That's my lot then. Nice though. Started off this game. I'm 40 in this now. On a pound to go. Normally I play this a little bit lower stake, seems to be a little bit better, but I'll bring it back when it happens. Alright, first pick. A pound. That's what you want if you get jackpot symbols there. So I think it has to do a win that. Can come out and do it times too. They really did a little tease there. It's not a small blazer. Can spin off. Good. Happy pick. Probably the worst one there. Quid. It's a shame. The times 2. Times 2. Shortly afterwards. Look it out for it, fucking record. Outside heels, is it? Oh, wow. Wow. You're down there looking strong. Very good, isn't it? You go auto collecting again shortly afterwards. I've never seen any more than times 2. That's why you want 50 quid there. Knew it was going to do that one. Anywhere else would have been another 20 quid.